Hello everybody, today we are reviewing my model plane collection. The full screen. Well, I'm trying to do a cool intro. Curse you, Cricky Flaw! It's boiling outside. It's gotcha. Yes, I'm British. Wait, I'm Welsh. Because NBA. NBA is Mountain Volley Association thing. Right, so we got a 18 Warthog. I got both of these from my name, my grandparents, and 747 from Matchbox. This holds a special place in my heart. Are you wondering? I got it from the Manchester Airport place. I got there as well as a literal teddy plushie of a goddamn Concorde. There's 1/500 scale. A lot of things shreds, and there's one that's the same scale. They're playing that's the same scale coming today, and two coming next week in the same scale as that little guy. So we got this. Let me read what says on the bottom. Boeing 737 MAX 8 200 Ryanair. Got this for Christmas. Don't know where the tail went, and yeah, that's it. Simon got me that. This is well, you can see that's Air Force One. I don't know where the language went. It went somewheres, and I do not know where it went. I got that from Amazon. I think I got this from Amazon. Oh, it fell over. Qatar FIFA World Cup. I look at the camera there to actually see what it says. But anyways, cool livery. Put it back now. They're a bit dusty. I think dust should be fine. Correct me if I'm wrong. Correct. Collections now. It's onto these small clear bases. So that one from Amazon is a Emirates A380, first model I ever had. Love its shreds and well, it shreds actually because this first one is kind of crappy, but it's the Dubai flag is all the Emirates aircraft has. I got this from Christmas, but here's the story. Hello, Santa, can you give me 1/500 scale? Who's this? 787. Thank you, Santa, but that's all I wanted. Got I don't even know what that ever is actually. Got a British Airways Concorde. I actually sat in a real Concorde actually. I think I got some from Amazon. It's been a while since I've been collecting. And this is Air New Zealand Airbus. And I think I got this off Amazon. Of course. New Zealand is not different compared to us and Wales. So I hope you enjoy this video, and look, cool rock. Let me put this over here. Let me just go. I believe I can fly. God damn it! Somebody go here. I'm going to the wall.